Hello Dr. K. Today I will show you my homework for 4.1 to you. It's about PLC. Okay, you can see the title of this research is PLC Pneumatic Cylinder Control Experiment. It's about understanding set or reset logic and multi-language programming. It uses the twin CAT3 and full lead sim. The use bank of. So you can see the content of this title. The first one is experiment objective and significance. Then the hardware connection, physical or simulation. And the third one is control logic. Then the implementation in three programming language and the fully same linkage implementation and overall implementation process and summary and the key points. So the master PLC control logic understands the essence of the set and reset instruction. Set, launch, and hold output state, and reset the release launch and return to initial state. Master cylinder extension and the retraction control rules. The familiar with PLC multi-language programming. Compare LD, FBD, ST, or IL stacks furniture. Understand different expressions of the same control logic. Adapt to different engineering habits. Master PLC and pneumatic system linkage. Build the pneumatic circuits in fluid sim. Improvement PLC control of cylinder solenoid value. Understand the electronic signal to the pneumatic actor, the control link. Then we use master twin CAT3 programming, compilation, simulation, and understand communication with fully the same. The build complete automation control system. So you can see the experiment significance. Section 1 is engineering application level. Cylinders are the most common pneumatic actors in automatic production lines. The section 2 is technologic competence level. Multi-language programming adapts to different engineering habits. The LED for electronic engineers, ST for the software engineers. The fully same called simulation verify logic without physical hardware, reduces debugging cost and shooting project cycles. The section 3 is zero implementation level. Combine PLC soft logic with pneumatic system hard execution and understand completely control layer to the execution layer link and bridge the gap between theoretic knowledge and practical application and cultivate systematic thinking in automation design. Okay, so you can see the bank of the picture on the left. It's about hardware connection. You can see the chart on the right. Okay, so the hardware connection rule, the first one is input side writing. SB1, SB2, SB3, one end connected to the 24 volt to plus other end connected to the PLC D1, D2, D3, and the PLC D1 common terminal connect to the 24 volt. And the second one is output side writing. PLC DO1 connected to solenoid value YV1, coil YV1 other, and connect to the 24 volt. The section 3 is pneumatic circuit, fully the same. You can see the air compressor to the filter to the regulator to the lubricator, and the solenoid value YV1 to the double acting cylinder. Okay, so then let me show you the core control logic. And the leader diagramming implementation, the logic structure, set branch, D1 SB1 triggers setting instruction, and research branch 1 D1 SB2 triggers reset the instruction, and so on. Then the function block diagram implementation. You can see I will use the twin cat3 implementation steps. The first step is drag set function block from library, and then in terminal connected to the true constant. And the third one is S terminal connect to the D1 SB1, and the reset terminal connect to the SB2 or not rest hop. The Q terminal connected to the YV1. Then you can see the fully the same linkage implementation. The part 1 is built pneumatic circuit. Open fully the same pneumatic vision drug components, air compressor to the filter, and 2.5 solenoid value, and double acting cylinder, connected air turbos, and muffler, and pressure page. The part 2 is solenoid value setting. Set control model to the electronic control, and with the external signal for PLC linkage. The part 3 is PLC and fully the same linkage. We use a method use this manual communication in fully the same. And you can see the overall process. Okay, now let's see the
都是。那课本是哪里找的？那课本都十几年前的了。这个应该我所有东西都是有的。看来4.2呀。
Okay, that's all. Thank you.